Hello students. As we have seen some of the functions of immune cells in our previous lecture, now in this lecture we will also see the functions of other immune cells. So, functions of macrophages. The first function is phagocytosis. Macrophages engulf and digest pathogens, debris, and other dead cells, contributing to the clearance of harmful substances from tissues. And the second function is in antigen presentation. Macrophages in antigen presentation, they process and present antigens to T cells, initiating adaptive immune response and coordinating immune reactions. The third function of macrophage is in cytokine production. Basically, macrophages secrete cytokines such as TNF alpha and interleukin 1, which regulate inflammation and immune responses. And the fourth function of macrophage is in tissue remodeling. They contribute to tissue repair and remodeling by secreting growth factors and matrix modifying enzymes. So, mast cells are a type of white blood cell found in various tissues throughout the body, particularly in connective tissues, skin, and mucous membranes. Here are some functions of mast cell. The first is histamine release. Mast cells release histamine upon activators, which triggers inflammation, increase blood vessel permeability, and recruit other immune cells. The second function of mast cell is in allergic response. Mast cells play a central role in the allergic reactions by releasing mediators like histamines and leukotrienes, leading to symptoms such as itching and swelling. The third function is in angiogenesis. Mast cells contribute to the formation of new blood cells by releasing factors that stimulate blood vessel growth, aiding in wound healing and tissue repair. Now, the dendritic cells are a type of immune cells that play a crucial role in initiating and regulating immune responses. They are found in various tissues throughout the body, including the skin, mucous membranes, and lymphoid organs, such as lymph nodes. Here are some functions of dendritic cells. Number one is antigen capture. Dendritic cells capture antigens from pathogens or damaged cells through the phagocytosis or receptor mediated endocytosis. The second function of dendritic cells are antigen processing. They process captured antigens into smaller fragments and present them on their surface using MHC molecules, primary T cells for activation. Third function is migration to lymph nodes. Here, dendritic cells migrate to lymph nodes where they interact with T cells, initiating adaptive immune responses and directing the immune system's response to specific threats.